We're here at Collegetown Center to take a look at Studio Apartment 504. Let's go on into the unit. This is a rectangle apartment. We'll find our kitchen here on the left. All the kitchens will have the same items. We have that refrigerator, there's the dishwasher under the sink with the sprayer, the microwave, the stove oven, and we have some assorted cabinets and that pair of drawers. As we go in through this kitchen space, we'll walk into the apartment area. The closet is over here on our left. We'll take a look in that. We have generous sized closets here in Collegetown Center. So you can see we've got a lot of stuff in here, a big tub, hanging space, storage space. So good storage here in the apartment. And as we go into the apartment, you know the apartments are all going to be very similar, but we'd like to show you the view and some different ways that you can lay furniture out in the apartment. You may certainly move the furniture around however you like. In this one, we have the dresser over here on the left, the bed along the side wall, the tall bookshelf. You can see the desk and chair, and there's the dining table and chair. Over behind us is the bathroom. You can see that over here. That's back towards where the kitchen is. Let's go take a look in there. Same bathroom as we've seen in the other units. So you have that tub shower. There's the vanity and sink that does open up for more storage underneath. There's the toilet. There's a small medicine cabinet over on our right, and we've got the towel racks in there for you. And that's a sliding door on that tub shower. Okay, as we go over to the window, you can see our heater over here. You'll want to make sure that you're not blocking that so that heat can circulate freely in the apartment in the winter. There's that air conditioning unit. And let's go out the window. This is on the south side of the building, so that's away from the street. This is the brighter side of the building. And you can see we've got some beautiful sky out there, trees, buildings around. Over to our left, you can see up towards College Ave a bit. So that's a look at a studio apartment here in Collegetown Center. We're in a rectangle style apartment on the south side of the building here in Collegetown Center at 151 Dryden Road. We're on the 5th floor of the 6th floor elevator building, and we're located just one block from campus.